Hello, today I am going to explain practical number 3 of DSU, that is how to write a C program to search a particular data from the given array of strings using the linear search method. For that, first of all, we include the header files, that is #include stdio.h. Next header file, that is #include string.h. In next line, we can define the size for the array by using #define max 100, and in next line #define size 50. This 100 size is the for the array, and this 50 size is for the particular string in which the character is used. In next line, we have to start the int main function by using int main and open curly braces. We have to declare a string array by using char strings max and size for 2D array. In next line, which string we have to search. For that, we have to declare search and run the for loop using n for the number of strings for I for the variables, and if string is found, which is stored in the found variable. In next line, we have to use one printf scanf statement for take the number of strings from the user enter the number of strings and complete the statement. And in next line, we have to use scanf %d comma and n, call the size. In next line, we have to create the array of strings. For that, we can write one printf statement for storing the strings by using enter %d strings /n comma n, and we have to start for loop. In that for loop, we have to take first initialization. First, we initialize I equal to 0, we have to take one condition, that is I less than n and I plus plus. This condition is true, then we have to enter in the for loop. If I equal to 0 and 0 less than n, then it will be enter into the for loop and print by using the printf statement, printf strings %d and I plus 1 for the incrementation. In that we have to use one scanf statement. For the string we use the %s, comma strings of I, and complete the statement. In the outside of for loop, we have to take one printf and scanf statement to which element you can search. In that printf double inverted comma, enter the string to search scanf. In that, for the string we use %s, comma search. In next line, for comparing the strings we use the strcmp function in that the for loop. For that we use one for loop. In that for loop we have to firstly initialize the variable, that is I, initialize I equal to 0, take condition I less than n and I plus plus. Open the curly braces and in that we have to take one if condition. In that if condition, strcmp function we used for the comparing the strings by using strings of I comma search equal to 0 and open the curly braces. In that curly braces we have to pass one statement, that is in printf in double inverted comma string slash %s slash found at the position %d and index %d dot slash n comma search comma I plus 1 comma I and complete the statement. In next line, if this statement is correct, then found equal to 1 and break the statement. We have to take the outside in the for loop and take one if condition. If string is not found at the position, at any position or n position, then we have to take one if condition, that is, if not found, then printf string slash %s slash not found in the array, not found in the array slash n comma search and for that int main function we have to return one value, return 0. This is the code, and next we have to run this code and see the output. For that, click on the run button. Here display the message, that is, enter the number of strings. We have to take, suppose we have to take 5 strings. Enter the 5 strings. First string is apple, second is bat, third is cat, fourth is mirror, and fifth is ant. Then enter the string to search. Suppose we have to search cat, string cat found at the position 3, index 2. This is finish our code. We have to search a particular string.